this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping error on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on this restart icon. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, again click on settings app, click on software update, click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset accessibility settings. After phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.